Hey there, hi everyone, hope so all of you are good. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, that too with the time delay. Let's get started with the virtual design rather than the direct by using rather than the direct Arduino board. We can easily understand through this design. So without wasting the time, let's get started with the video. So let's get started with the hardware connections of the Arduino to the ultrasonic sensor and the motor control through a relay by a transistor. So as you can see here, the VCC and the ground is connected for the ultrasonic sensor, and the trigger pin is being given for the 11th digital pin of the Arduino Uno, and the echo pin is declared for the 12th digital pin of the Arduino Uno, and the output from Arduino Uno. When the ultrasonic sensor sends the information for the Arduino Uno that the distance is less than 15 centimeter. If we insert any object in between the ultrasonic sensor, it will send information to the Arduino Uno to trigger the relay for through this transistor. So now the hardware connection part is completed. Now let's get started with the programming part. Let's see the program. So this is the program for our ultrasonic based automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. So this is the code. I'll give the link for the code in the description below. You can use this code for your project. If you want to vary the time delay, you have to just vary the delay which is given in this program. So if you DM me, I'll clearly explain you. If you need more guidance regarding this automatic hand sanitizer, you can DM me in Instagram, or I'll give my contact details in the description, so you can directly contact me. So the program, this has the program for this ultrasonic based hand dispenser. So let's see, after combining all of this, let's see how the automatic hand dispenser works in a virtual module. So after the hardware simulation part, just for the designing, just as a simple design, I am showing you this people. See, as soon as I keep my hand in front of that, automatically the sanitizer starts to dispense, and after 5 seconds, after pumping 5 ml, automatically the sanitizer will stop if though if I keep my hand in front of it. So you can see, as soon as I keep my hand in front of it, I have used a sprinkler so that it will sprinkle the hand sanitizer. If you want just a pump, you can vary the persist time delay in the code. If you DM me, I'll totally cleanly explain how to vary the code. As soon as I see, you can clearly see, as soon as I keep my hand in front of it, it will pump the sanitizer, and automatically after for pumping 5 ml, it will automatically stop, even though if I keep my hand in front of it. So this is the hardware connection part what I have done. It looked quite complicated, but if you use a simple module, I have used Arduino Pro Mini, an ultrasonic sensor, and two power supply modules, and a relay for driving the motor, one power supply for the motor, and another power supply for the ultrasonic, and the um, Arduino Pro Mini for driving this relay. See, I always prefer you to don't use the ready-made relay module. It's better that you only prepare your own relay module. See, as soon as I keep my hand in front of the It will automatically pump and automatically off the motor when after pumping 5 ml of sanitizer. A totally ready-made module is available at a very low cost. If you need this kind of automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, you can DM me, or for any guidance for making yourself, you can even contact me in Instagram, or I'll give my contact details in the description so that you can contact me directly.